Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem started here. Now in today's video we are going to look at this 10-inch double din car stereo touchscreen detachable floating QLED car radio right here, which is a great little panel that you can have inside your car. So it actually come in this box right here, which it come in different sizes. So it come with 9-inch screen, 10-inch and 10.33 inch, and also it come with different CPU as well. You have 4-core, 8-core and also Linux. It also comes with a 2 gig RAM and a 32 storage space, and also it comes in 4 gig RAM and 64 storage space. So you might actually choose the one that you prefer for the more speed, more space of your choice. I actually went with the 4-core and it's working really great for me so far. So what comes in the package is the car stereo system right here, as you guys can see. So we have a reverse camera which come inside. We have the cables right here we can attach to the reverse camera, and also we have a subwoofer export. So if you want to connect it to a subwoofer or a DVD for video input, you can do that. And it also come with a mic as well, so we can attach it to your system. Also we have a GPS antenna which you can add to your radio system to get that speed in your system whenever you're driving. Also it comes with a harness where you can attach it inside your car, and the size fit well in this car right here. And also we have the other powering cable, such as one that wire onto your speakers and one for the powering and the wire in up off your car. So it's very interesting that this right here comes with a knob where you can easily go over and switch across and turn the volume whenever you're driving. Very convenient, especially if you're on the road. You don't have to look over to find the specific button for the volume, because the knob is right here. You can easily turn the volume up or down, which is a great feature on this right here. Also the thing I love about this as well, it is adjustable for your great viewing experience. So this right here, it can tilt up, as you guys can see, it can tilt down, it can tilt to the side, and it can tilt to this side right here. So it actually adjustable anywhere that you actually want it. Also on the back right here, there's 2 clips where you can press this right here and you can actually tilt it up, adjust it up to your liking. You can slide it down, so it's actually very adjustable right there. And this right here can detach off as well, just like so. As you guys can see, detachable. And there's a clip onto this part right here where you can remove and actually take off this completely from the head unit. It comes with 2 USB output. This USB right here is for the Android autoplay, so you can attach your USB into this right here, connect it to your phone for the Android autoplay. This one right here can be used to charge your phone. You can put a thumb drive in this as well, where you can use to play music or any music video from this as well. So this also comes with a steering control, so I can use my steering right here, as you guys can see. Turn up the volume, turn down the volume, and we can use to skip music. Once you actually map it onto the system, you can use these features as well. And also with this system as well, as I mentioned earlier, it has a 2 camera input, so you can put camera on the front, camera at the back, and also you can attach them onto this right here. But this only comes with 1 camera though, which you can attach it to the back. So if you want to add another camera, you have to purchase that separately, where you can add it to the front. So just a quick run through of the user interface right here. As you guys can see, it's showing the time right there, the music that you're playing, the radio band, and also some of the apps that you actually can put right here, which you frequently use. Also we can go into the apps right there. We have the settings, we have the equalizer, we have the Bluetooth, and also we have the video right there, which we can play. So if you go right here, we can see some of the apps onto it. You can download apps from the Play Store as well. So once you have a Google Play Store onto it right here, you can go on this and download apps. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi or any mobile hotspot, we can go back to the home, and any apps that you're using, we can just click on any of these and we can replace our apps onto this right here to make it be accessible onto the home page. So if you want to add this file manager right here, you can click on this and actually it comes up right here, which is really great for quick access of your apps. Bluetooth, we can connect it to your phone if you want to connect it that way. It also have an Apple CarPlay as well, where you can attach your phone to it and access things like message and all those things onto your phone. Also we have the equalizer, where you can go and just fine tune your system whatever way that you want it. And also we can go right here and find some standard user one that you can choose from. You have the field right there to test the speakers to see which one is working and so forth. We can go back with this right here And also in settings, we have various things that we can actually access. So right here we have the Wi-Fi connection, data connection, we have the device, we have the display. Right there you can go and choose the brightness and so forth. We have the sound, we have the GPS, we have the storage, we have the apps, and we have the USB, start and those things. You have general, press any key to start, auto navigation, ODS time. So this basically we can go through to see all of these settings and things that you can actually choose right here, which is very great that you can have them on this system. You can choose the date and time and so forth. So guys, if you're looking for a compact, nice car radio system, flat screen, which have a knob right here which you want to install into your car, this is one of the great options because it have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all those things you will want into your system for your car. And also we can download a lot of apps as well, so it's basically like an Android system, this right here, right inside your car. You can use all of the features, and it actually touch responsive. As you can see right there, it's quite responsive when you actually touch it. And the thing that I like about this, and even though this is a 4-core, they also have the 8-core as well, which is more responsive and faster. But with this right here, I don't really have any problem using this because the system of this is really great. But sometimes though, you have to touch it accurately for it to actually work quite fine. So if I'm actually deleting this right here, sometimes it might be sluggish depending on how much apps you're running, but from that it's quite fine, it's quite responsive and actually do what it intend to do. So I will put a link for this down in the description, so if you guys interested in picking up one of these, you guys can check the link in the description. And hope this video was helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace. I'm out.